understanding the 4-year Bitcoin halving cycle and its impact on cryptocurrency markets. In the world of Bitcoin, a pivotal event occurs every 4 years. This event, known as Bitcoin halving, profoundly impacts cryptocurrency. Bitcoin halving cuts the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions in half. This scarcity by design fuels demand, leading to price surges. But what does this mean for the broader cryptocurrency market? Interestingly, Bitcoin's halving cycle has its ripple effects in the crypto world. Historically, Bitcoin halving has triggered a bull run in the entire cryptocurrency market. Other cryptocurrencies tend to follow Bitcoin's price trajectory. Yet, it's not a simple cause and effect. Many factors influence the value of cryptocurrencies. But Bitcoin halving serves as a reliable indicator. Despite its predictability, Bitcoin halving isn't a guaranteed profit event. It's crucial to understand the risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. In conclusion, Bitcoin halving plays a significant role in the cryptocurrency market. It's a captivating aspect of the intriguing world of digital currency.